If you own one of the IKEA DETOLF glass door cabinets, you'll know that they only come with 3 glass shelves here, allowing 4 shelves to work with if you include this one down here. But you probably wanted to know, how can you add another shelf? Because there's no real way to do it unless you have some hardware for it. The easiest way to do that is to go to Lowe's or Home Depot and get these 7/16-inch rope wire clamps. Now, they're actually very secure. Once you put it on here, this is not moving. I don't have any worries about this shelf falling, and I've had it set up this way for a while now, and I've had this thing bumped into several times as well, just because of where it's at. Now, for the height, basically I measured from right here to the top of the shelf underneath of it, and this is 7 inches. So when I did that, it basically gets the shelf more or less perfectly centered between the top and bottom shelves. So now if we look here again, you'll see this black here. What that is some foam. I went to Lowe's and found these there, gripper bars, and these go underneath of like chairs or whatever to keep them from sliding around. Now all they really are is foam with an adhesive, but it's a more dense foam though, and I basically just stuck it underneath of here, and it'll keep the shelf from sliding around on top of the clamp, and keep the clamp from scratching the shelf as well. Now, as for getting the shelves, I've seen some people like spend a bunch of money to get these things custom cut, but if you're lucky enough to have an IKEA local to you, they might actually have extra shelves that they can either give or sell you, depending on their policies there. Now, it took me 3 tries before they actually had any of these in stock, but basically they had to wait until one of these cases got broken during shipping, and then they kept the extra shelves. So I ended up getting 3 more for this one here. So if you're looking to add some extra shelves to your DETOLF case, that's going to be the best way to do it. Go to the hardware store, get some rope wire clamps and some foam, and go hit up your local IKEA for extra shelves. Alright, well, hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.